Today's property tour is a gorgeous brand new construction home built by Toll Brothers located in Scottsdale. The one I'm showing you is the Callum floor plan. It's 2,509 square feet at minimum, but the one I'm showing you is larger. It's got 2 bedrooms plus a study, 3 bathrooms, and this one's got an attached casita. If you're curious to learn more about this house, or if we can help you in any other way, you can easily book a call with us by going to zoomtoarizona.com. I'm excited to show you this house, and make sure you stay until the end, as I'm going to tell you more about this amazing neighborhood and the surrounding area. As we walk up to the front of the house, we notice the low maintenance yard and Spanish contemporary architecture. There's a front courtyard area as we head to the front door, which is a large iron door. Immediately you notice the high ceilings. The kitchen has a large oversized island. There is a drop zone right off the door to the garage. Here's the laundry room, which has a built-in sink. Kitchen countertops are quartz. It's a gas stovetop with 6 burners, all top-of-the-line appliances. Pantry has customized shelving. Kitchen has double ovens with built-in microwave to the left. Amazing high ceilings with decorative wood beams. Living room has a large open space with a wall fireplace. Backyard off the living room has outdoor fireplace. And a small pool with waterfalls. There's a nice covered patio area. More built-in fire pits. Outdoor area has turf and some hanging chairs. There's a large built-in spa, which has glass tiles. There's a fountain next to it. Love the large outdoor kitchen. It's got built-in fridge with a keg. There's a sink and a gas grill. Large covered pergola provides a nice shaded area. We are outside the living room with the large glass slider open. Now we can see the side courtyard that is also part of the backyard. Outside flooring is travertine. Now we enter the primary suite. bathroom has a separate soaking tub, large glass shower, and 2 separate vanities. Master closet has custom shelving with drawers and storage to the ceiling. This is the flex space, which has been set up as an office. Here is the half bathroom. Here's another bedroom, which has nice decorative wood paneling on the wall. It's a bedroom suite, as it has its own bathroom. We enter the attached bedroom suite. It has its own bathroom. This is an option that can be added at an additional cost. Tile details on the wall. Exposed decorative wood beams. There's an exterior door which provides easy access to the outside. Making this a great mother-in-law suite. Wow, what a gorgeous home. Toll Brothers offers different elevation options, which means you get to choose how you would like the style of your home to look, the architecture of your home. In this floor plan, you can choose between Spanish Contemporary, which is the one I showed you, there's Desert Contemporary, and there's Modern. This house starts at $1,516,000. That's the base price, and it will increase depending on what you choose. Toll Brothers allows a variety of customizations. For instance, on this floor plan, you can add an attached casita, like I showed you today. You can actually add an expanded island. You can add a larger garage, and so many other great options. The neighborhood is called Sereno Canyon, and it's called the Villa Collection. In the Villa Collection, there's 7 different floor plans ranging from about 2,500 square feet to 3,500 square feet or more, depending on the options you choose. What's amazing is every single home is single story, and they all have Sonoran desert views and McDowell mountain views. Sereno Canyon is an amazing gated community with some really nice amenities. In particular is the Mountain House Lodge. This lodge makes you feel like you're at a resort somewhere. They've got resort style pools, private fitness center, a spa, and what I really love is if you look at their calendar of events, they have multiple events throughout the week, which is a really nice thing. That way, if they're bringing the people together, if you guys want to go to the events. I love the location of this neighborhood. It's located near Pinnacle Peak. The neighborhood is surrounded by desert and mountains. It's truly beautiful, and you feel like you're on vacation every day. If you like hiking, the neighborhood is within walking distance to the Sonoran Preserve Trail System. The local grocery store and shopping is only 20 minutes away. So if you want a brand new construction house in a desert oasis-like location, this community could be the one. The Villa Collection at Sereno Canyon, right now they have 4 quicker move-in homes available and multiple lots left. So reach out and I can help guide you on how to get one of these beautiful homes. I hope you enjoyed this home tour, and if you found value in it, please make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe. That way you can know when my next video comes out. If you would like more information regarding this community, or if we can help you in any other way, book a call with us by going to zoomtoarizona.com. I would love to hear what you thought of this video, so please comment below or feel free to email me or call me. I'm always looking to get feedback plus ideas on what kind of videos and topics you want to learn more about. And thank you so much for hanging out. I'll see you next time. Bye.